We work really hard to build the perfect fire apparatus. However, as much as I want to believe that is the case, I know there will be times when these apparatus out in the field have issues. What becomes important at that point is how well we take care of those problems and how well we service our customers. Currently at BME, we carry the parts for almost every apparatus that we do on our shelves, and our commitment to our customers has been is we will have those parts out to you within 24 to 48 hours. BME does not use proprietary parts. The reason that we've chosen to do this is so that our customers can actually repair and service their engines better and easier in the field. Unfortunately, when a fire engine is waiting for parts to come, it's not working. It's not doing the job that it needs to do, and we've chosen to be able to make it easier for our customers to service, maintain, and repair their trucks at all times. We run 2 service vans currently, and those service vans can generally be within an area within 24 to 48 hours and take care of any problems. We work with a lot of the local service centers that are around a lot of these departments, so if they have someone they trust and know, a lot of times we'll set up relationships with them and allow them to be our service and warranty centers. It makes it to where these engines can be repaired quickly at a lower cost to these departments and not voiding any of their warranties by doing that. I think that's important because they know and understand the commitment that BME is making to them to producing an engine that they can utilize as much as possible, that's going to work when they need it to work, and if it does need repaired, it's going to have multiple avenues that they can use to get that thing repaired and back out fighting the fire.